Confidence creates power, and you get power when you believe in yourself. This is Nayan Chaudhary, and I'm here to make your life a masterpiece. As I had already told you that in this video, I'm going to share with you my experience of confidence building, that how I increased my confidence, and right now I'm a real confident person. Whatever I'm going to share with you in this video, this is my personal experience of confidence building. So if you also wanted to increase your confidence, just follow this step and you will increase your confidence too. If you know about my story, then you know very well that till my 10th standard, I was not confident person. I was not good in communication skills, I was not good in public speaking skills, and let me tell you, confidence is something which you need to develop over a period of time. It is not a thing which can be developed within a day, within a week. No, it is a thing which you need to develop over a period of time. How exactly I increased my confidence? Look, till my 10th standard, I was average in my sports, I was average in academics, I was average in everything. But except one thing, that is artistic and painting stuff. I was really good in that. So it was the only thing which used to give me confidence. And you know exactly that what happened when you get less marks in academics. All the people used to just compare you with a bright student who got more marks than you. Due to this comparison, we just stop believing in ourselves. We just say to ourselves that I'm not good in anything, and we just put ourselves down. And I know this is not going to take me anywhere. So I had decided that no, I don't want this type of life. I need to really work upon myself. I need to work upon my communication skills, my confidence building, my public speaking skills, because I know that this is the only things which is going to get me a result, which is going to take me ahead in my life. So I have decided that no matter what, I'm going to do anything, but I don't want this type of life. When I went to 11th class, I had decided that I need to change my life. And luckily, I got wonderful teachers who always supported me to come ahead, to come forward. It pushed me and it makes me to take action to have amazing results in my life. I know very well that if I wanted to grow in my life, if I wanted to have amazing confidence level, then I need to take initiative. And my first initiative was raising hand in my class. I had decided no matter I'm going to say right things in a class, or no matter I'm going to say wrong thing, but my work is to raise my hand in the front of class and say the answers, because I know I am going to increase my confidence through this, because it was really very small initiative from my side. If I can do these things, that is raising a hand in my class, then I can do more things in my life. So I did not take a huge step, but I always try to take small steps, and I always try to grow myself through small steps, because it is the only things which actually makes you ahead in your life. Let me tell you, taking initiative is very important thing. When you take initiative, you come ahead one step, then you experience those things and you feel that yeah, I am capable of doing this. Then if I am capable of doing this, then I can do more things in my life. And this exactly happened in my life. My confidence builds due to small steps which I had take in my life. And this is the exact thing which you need to do in your life. You need to take small initiative in your life, small steps in your life. Then you will realize that I can do anything in my life, because it happened to me. And then gradually I grow in my life. Then I started taking seminars, I started giving presentations, I started giving public speaking, and through that I grow in my life. Due to that, I become fearless person. Let me tell you, till my 10th standard, I got fail in so many things, and because of that, it makes me strong from inside that failure cannot hold me back, and I can grow with the failure, and I can grow in my life no matter I'm getting success or no matter I'm getting failure. But I know if I'm getting fail at this time, then I need to work upon that. I need to learn something from that, and I know when I'm going to learn, I'm going to grow in my life. My confidence built due to small initiative which I had taken in my life, and it is very important. You need to do small things and you need to win that, and you will gradually going to get confidence in that work, and you are going to constantly grow in your life, and you are going to constantly go ahead taking steps, and you will have amazing results. So the second way through which I increase my confidence is self-love. Look, many people say that how it can possible to love our own self. But it is very important to love our own self, because you are the only person who is going to be with you for the long period of time, and you need to appreciate yourself for each and every small wins you get. Look, you need to treat yourself as a so very important person in your life. Let's take an example. If you love with someone, then what you are going to do? You will believe in that person to whom you love. You will take care of that person. You will have unbreakable faith on that person, and you will just love that person unconditionally. And you need to do exact same for yourself. You need to love yourself. You need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your mind. You need to take care of your body. You need to take care of yourself. Why? Because nobody is going to do it for yourself. I always say that self-love is very important thing for an individual, because each individual wants love from someone. So why to wait for someone to give you love? Why you can't give love to yourself? So give love to yourself, and you will have amazing confidence within you, because it works for me, and that's why I'm sharing my experience to you. Apply these things in your life and you are going to have amazing results. So what we have learned till now, if you want to increase your confidence, you need to start working on small things. You need to start taking initiative, because when you take initiative, then you are going to have amazing results. Then it actually going to build your confidence level. And the second thing is, you need to work upon your self-love. Your self-love gives you confidence. Your self-love gives you faith upon yourself. Your self-love gives you self-belief. Let me tell you, on this channel you also get advanced personality development training. So if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe it, because I don't want you to miss any video.